Welcome back. Let's make Nashville hot chicken quesadillas. For the brine, chicken tenderloins, pour in buttermilk and pickle juice. Into a separate bowl, flour, and cornstarch. In goes your chicken, tossed to coat. Into a deep fryer they go at 375 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. For the seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, honey powder, brown sugar, paprika, cayenne pepper, season with salt and pepper. Mix until combined. Ladle some hot oil into your seasoning. Brush all over the chicken. Onto 1/2 of a flour tortilla, chicken, the cheese of your choice, grilled onions. Top it off with habanero hot sauce. Cook in a frying pan for a couple minutes per side or until nicely golden brown and crispy. And there we have it, Nashville hot chicken quesadillas. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.